Engineering, the future is up to you.
One of the fun, exciting ways you could enter the world of engineering is through a career in advanced manufacturing. So, what is advanced manufacturing?
It's the use of groundbreaking technology to enhance the products and processes that we use in the world today. Some examples include 3D gaming, solar fuel, and super-fast broadband. Could you be the creator of the next big thing?
So, when you think of engineering, is this what you envision? A typical car mechanic and having an oily rag job? You probably also automatically assume you have to be male to work in this industry, and you're not alone in this. Let us assure you that this is in fact not the case. Some of the world's most successful engineers are female. Two great examples of this are the females pictured below, who are known as Heidi Lamar and Claire Barrett. Heidi Lamar was one of the world's most famous actresses in the 1900s, but she also caused a great breakthrough in the world of engineering, and without her we would be living in a world without Wi-Fi. Can you imagine that? Claire Barrett, who some of you may recognise as a presenter on Channel 4's Savage Squad, well, what some of you may know is that she also shares a huge interest in engineering and completed a degree in mechanical engineering whilst at university. Let's say thank you, as these ladies help break the stereotypical thinking associated with the engineering industry. We are majorly influenced by the work of advanced manufacturing engineers in our day-to-day lives. But do you realise just how much? From the smartphone that is probably in your hands now to the toys that we used to play with. Even some of the cartoons we used to watch shared an interest in engineering. For example, we could consider Dexter and Phineas and Ferb, who all were in love with the idea of inventing new things. Do you want the power to create change and make a difference? Well, this guy did, who you may also know as Steve Jobs. We could talk for days about his technological achievements, but one specific highlight is how he changed how we listen to music, as he worked with countless advanced manufacturing engineers to help turn his ideas into reality. And so, iTunes and iPod were born in 2001. Listen up, girls. It's unfortunate that females are missing out on the endless opportunities that a career in advanced manufacturing could provide them with. Believe it or not, the UK actually has one of the lowest percentages of female engineering professions in Europe, with only 9% of the engineering workforce in the UK being women, and only 15.8% of people studying undergraduate engineering degrees being women, when compared to India, where this figure is much higher at 30%. As Beyoncé said, so we have to ask ourselves, why is there such a low figure for females in the engineering industry? Well, let's hear from engineering student Molly and see what she has to say. Hi Molly, why do you think females are poorly represented in the engineering industry?
Hi, Stucky. Well, we could associate it with stereotypical thinking associated with engineering, as well as the fact that not enough emphasis is being placed on studying STEM subjects whilst at school. The perception of these subjects tend to be hard, boring, and male-dominated, but don't let these stereotypical thoughts prevent you from being the best you can be and stop you from achieving your dream. I certainly didn't.
By opting to choose to study STEM subjects, you're only increasing your opportunities and options for your future, as well as the power to change the future of others. It will provide you with the skills to combat many of the problems that we face in society today. For example, do you want to tackle climate change? Well, maybe you could be the person to find the solution. Study STEM and unlock your full potential. Still not convinced? Well, what if I told you that working in the engineering industry will not only provide a challenging and exciting job, oh no, it will also allow you to gain skills that can be applied anywhere, as well as earn in excess of £50,000 as you move up in your career, which again is above the average compared to most other sectors. Think of the luxurious lifestyle you could have with that. You'll get the chance to travel the world with your work and exploring new cultures. Also, engineers are in high demand, so you'll have a great chance of getting a job. There is also a wide choice of field that you can go into with engineering to suit your own particular interests. For example, have you got an interest in space? Well, what if I told you that you could maybe visit it one day? Maybe through pursuing a career in aerospace engineering. How cool would that be? Engineering is a perfect industry to join to embrace creativity and challenges. Do you want to create your own stamp on this world? If you answered yes, then engineering could be the career for you. For more information and advice on careers in engineering, please visit www.endgame.info, or you can also follow us on Twitter at Endgame Engineering and like us on Facebook. Engineering. Be inspired, let your journey start here.